detector module, complex detector modules with 11 module, 14 module and 18 modules of these shapes. And all these three cases, we have considered two cases. One is when gamma ray interacts with the central part, and case B, which is when gamma ray interacts with the peripheral modules. In 11 type of 11 well type composite detectors, here in case A, we have considered these three configurations. That is when incident gamma ray first interacts with module G, and in configuration 2, first interaction gamma ray when interacts with module F, and in configuration 3, when first gamma ray interacts with module E. In this way, three different type of configurations we have considered in case of A for the detector with 11 detector module. Now, in the first case, case A of configuration 1, here we have considered that first gamma ray interacts with the module G, which is in the central part. After first interaction, we see that gamma ray interacts with G, and red arrow shows that the gamma ray scattered to the nearby B, F, and J. And in second interaction, the gamma ray received in B, F, J, that will also scattered out. One part will absorbed, one part will scattered outside the module, and another part will scatter to the nearby modules, which is A, G, and C. In this way, after second interaction, the modules which receive the gamma ray interaction is shown in the third interaction, and after third interaction, similar way there will be a fourth interaction, and always in all this case, one part will be absorbed, one part will be scattered to the nearby modules, and another will be escaped out from the detector module. And considering all these four interaction cases, we proceeded in the similar way, calculated the total counts, peak to total ratios, and add-back factors. And here details calculations are not shown. We have just shown the tabular form of all these absorbed total absorptions in different interactions. Also, module-wise total absorption has been shown in the table. In similar way, here in configuration 2, when first gamma ray interacts with the second module F, and it also happens second interaction after absorption. After first interaction, gamma ray is scattered to its nearby four detector modules, that is C, G, E, and I. And here from C, G, E, and I, gamma ray will also scattered to its nearby modules, and after that we'll get third interaction and then fourth interaction. And here also we calculated all these parameters, and this shows the tabular form of the final result, module wise absorptions and total absorptions in the composite detector. And here we have shown the third case, configuration 3, where gamma ray interacts with the module E in first interaction. After that, in second interaction, we see that the interaction gamma ray will just scatter to its nearby modules. Then also they will scatter, absorb, and escape. And all these are shown in pictorial form here, and their total calculations are shown in tabular form. And this is the case B, where gamma ray first interacts with the peripheral detector modules. Here we consider the first in configuration 1, first gamma ray interacts with detector module A. And in configuration 2, in second interaction, first interaction we see that the gamma ray when interacts with module A, one part only scattered its to module B, and remaining parts will scattered outside. And in interaction 2, uh, detector module B will scattered gamma ray which it received from first interaction, and one part has been escaped, and remaining three parts scattered to its module A, C, and G. In this way, it will continue. After fourth iteration, considering all these four cases, we calculated our details parameters, the total counts, peak to total ratio, and weight vector. And in tabular form, we have shown that module-wise total absorbed counts and total absorbed counts in total. Here we have also shown the second and third configuration, and following the same process, finally we calculated the total absorbed counts for case A, that is configuration 1, 2, 3, and here we see the details of the configuration. We have shown the peak to total